Welcome to Road Ready Review. Today, we're exploring the 2024 Toyota Hiace VIP Luxury Van, an ultimate blend of premium comfort, cutting-edge technology, and powerful performance. Let's dive into what makes this van exceptional. The 2024 Toyota Hiace VIP Luxury Van is designed for both power and elegance. Under the hood, it features a 2.8L turbo diesel engine producing 174 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque, ensuring smooth and reliable performance. This powertrain is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, delivering efficiency and comfort for long journeys. At the front, the Hiace boasts a bold, chrome-accented grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide excellent visibility. The stylish bumper is designed with integrated fog lights and air vents, enhancing aerodynamics and aesthetics. From the side, the van's long, streamlined body is complemented by large panoramic windows, providing a bright and open feel inside. The 17-inch alloy wheels give it a confident stance, while the side mirrors come with integrated turn signals for added safety. The premium sliding doors operate electrically, offering effortless access to the luxurious cabin. At the rear, the Hiace features vertically stacked LED taillights, a sculpted tailgate with chrome accents, and a sturdy bumper. A rear spoiler adds a sporty touch, while the power-operated rear door enhances convenience for passengers. The Toyota emblem sits proudly at the center, reinforcing its premium identity. Step inside the 2024 Toyota Hiace VIP Luxury Van, and you're welcomed into a world of comfort and sophistication. The dashboard is designed with a mix of wood grain accents, soft touch materials, and chrome detailing, exuding a premium feel. A 10-inch LCD infotainment screen provides navigation, entertainment, and smartphone connectivity. The side doors are lined with plush leather, featuring ambient lighting for a luxurious atmosphere. The electronic gear shift is smoothly integrated into the center console, while the illuminated start-stop button adds a high-tech touch. The leather-wrapped steering wheel includes controls for multimedia, cruise control, and hands-free calling. The spacious VIP seating includes captain's chairs with reclining functions, massage features, and individual armrests. The rear cabin is fitted with a center table, perfect for work or relaxation. Passengers will appreciate the premium sound system, climate control with rear AC vents, and the motorized curtains for added privacy. The van's cargo space is highly practical, accommodating luggage, business essentials, or recreational gear effortlessly. The 2024 Toyota Hiace VIP Luxury Van starts at $55,000, with higher trims reaching up to $70,000, depending on customizations. Given its blend of luxury, technology, and practicality, it's a fantastic choice for business executives and families alike. The 2024 Toyota Hiace VIP Luxury Van redefines luxury travel, combining powerful performance with high-end comfort, making every journey a first-class experience. If you enjoyed this review, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with Road Ready Review's latest automotive insights.